Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you ready to share your creativity with the world? In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to upload a TikTok. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Locate the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it. TikTok may request permissions to access your camera, microphone, and other features. Allow TikTok to use these permissions for a seamless recording experience. Step 3. Now it's time to record your TikTok. Simply hold down the record button to start capturing your video. You can add effects, filters, and even adjust the video speed to enhance your content. When you're satisfied with your creation, tap on the checkmark icon to proceed. Congratulations! You've successfully recorded and edited your TikTok. Now it's time to upload it to the TikTok platform, where millions of users await exciting content. Before you upload, remember to add a catchy caption and relevant hashtags to maximize the visibility of your TikTok. These elements help in reaching a wider audience and increasing engagement. Once you're ready, tap on the Upload button and TikTok will begin processing and uploading your video to the platform. It may take a few moments depending on the video's length and your internet connection. Thank you for watching and happy TikToking!